Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Resiana Dinata. Here I will explain about why study communication theory and theories of message production, try theories, the role of situation, and process theories. Understanding or studying communication theory will help us see things related to our life activities. Communication theory gives us the ability to recognize that we now before in the communication process, because the communication process is complex. In addition, we can also be creative in communicating. And communication theory can also improve our abilities so that we will be able to better adapt to other people. And communication theory is why that can be used to view daily communication process and can also provide new possibilities for obtaining better results from the communication carried out. In a broader scope, currently there are many interesting events and incidents that we see, starting from the governor election, the action of the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Jokowi, to artists who created sensation. And we can see all this even from a communication point of view. In fact, almost all of these even are phenomena of the communication process. For example, regarding the full day school, which was intended by the Minister of Education and Culture, who was just inaugurated. This communication theory can help us to understand every event that is around us. The existing communication theory can help to carrying out the communication process in accordance with the audience, as starting from creating message using mass media to solving problems if a crisis occurs in the company. This communication theory can get used to carry out an effective communication process and also help solve existing problems. Next, in this discussion, I will describe the theories of message production using their types of psychological explanation, nature explanation, state and description, and process explanation. 1. Explanation of properties. The trait description focus on relatively static individual characteristic and the way these characteristics are associated with other traits and variables. The relationship between certain types of personality and certain types of message. The stories predict that when you have certain personality trait, you will tend to communicate in certain ways. Next, for example, people with argumentative personalities like to argue. Next, two, explanation of the situation. The state of mind and human behavior is very much influenced by external factor, perceptual events of the situation. In this section, there are two theories, general theory and special theory. Next, three, explanation of the process. Process theory seeks to explain the mechanism for making communication message, in which there are the following theories. 1. Accommodation theory. This theory deals with interpersonal adjustment in communication interaction. 2. Constructivist theory. Constructivist theory or constructivism is a theoretical approach to communication. 3. Logical message design theory. 4. Action ensemble theory. 5 planning and goal theory. So, and thank you. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Might be usable. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.